Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy the Mutation Totem in Fish It Roblox. So this Mutation Totem is one of the game changer for anyone that want to complete their best series or make huge profits from selling shiny, albino or sparkling fish. Here I'm going to show you the location, the hidden shop locations where you can buy this one. So what you need to do here on Fisherman Island, you can just find the traveling merchant. You can just head into the left side of the island until you see this boat called a traveling merchant. You can just go there and talk to the seller, the alien merchant. Talk to him and then click on view shop. And so actually the items is different or change regularly. So if you lucky, you can find the Mutation Totem in here, but for now the only available one is the shiny totem. So you can just click on purchase when you found one, and that's it. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.